Okay, I thought I'd show off one of the most popular tools ever sold by Pampered Chef. It's the mix and chop. It is amazing. And just so you know, if you leave it on the side of your pan for very long in your pan pot, it will actually melt the handle. So don't do that. But this makes browning up ground meat awesome. I'm doing Italian sausage for some pizza. And this is the way to go, I tell you, because it chops and mixes at the same time. It does a great job. I can't believe I waited this long to get one. I also love using it when I make up egg salad. I just kill all the eggs, dump them in a bowl with what I want, and it chops it up. It also does a great job on chicken that you've fried up ahead of time as well, because the ends of it you can't tell from here, but the ends of it are sharp. Not sharp, but they're pointed, so it makes it easier. So hopefully this little tool tidbit has been helpful for you. Have a great day.